So you want to add graphics to your course. Well, here's some tips to help you out. When uploading images to your content, you will want to use high-quality images that are not grainy or hard to see. You will also want to avoid text in your images because it is not accessible to students with visual disabilities who use screen readers. Make sure the images you use are royalty and copyright free, or that you have permission to use them in your course. In the course design template Moodle page, we have example of image sizes and layouts that fit well within the frame. By following these recommendations, you can insert banner images and images within your pages or books to create eye-catching courses. Adding images to your course is simple. Create a new learning activity or click Edit pencil icon underneath the relevant activity or resource to open the text editor. With your mouse, click the location of where you want to put the image within the text/content. Click the Show, Hide, Advance buttons. Click the button with the mountains called Insert or Edit Image. A pop-up will open. Click the Browse Repository button. Under the title attachment, click Choose File and select the file or image from your computer. Click Upload File. Customize your image properties. Under Describe this image for someone who cannot see it, type a brief description of your image. This will let students who use screen readers experience your course fully. This is not necessary for graphics or images that are purely for decoration. For a course to be accessible, all relevant images must have alternative text. Under Size, type the dimensions of the image if you wish to change its default size. Select your alignment preference. Click Save Image to save your content. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. If you are having issues finding uncopyrighted images, no worries. Luckily, our talented designers at UMOnline have made a graphics library of images that you can use within your course. Here, you can open the galleries, find the image you want, download it, and insert it into your course following the steps we just went through. Be sure to check out Moodle Basics for Faculties, where all this information is written down.